Ayun, medyo kakatapos lang po ng initial regular screening ng Uma Musume Pretty Derby Shinjidai no Tobira, or as I would like to call it, beginning of a new era. And what can I say? Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng pelikula kung saan pumalakpak ang mga tao at the end of the movie. So, anywho, so it comes to positives. The acting is great. The how Psy Games reenacted the 2001 Japan Cup is really superb. Binigyan nila ng drama yung story ni Jungle Pocket, and yung relationship dynamics between Pocket, the trainer, Agnes Tachyon. It really got fleshed out within 1 hour and 48 minutes. And the music choice is great. I mean, it's not the soundtrack from the game, or maybe not from the TV series, but may mga set pieces na you may want to add on your playlist. Let's just say it like that. When it comes sa animation, 8 times out of 10 maganda ang animation ng pelikula. May mga konting sablay lang, and you may not have may not notice it, but makikita mo rin talaga yung iba't ibang art styles ng mga animation companies, because when I saw the credits, I saw familiar names like Studio Trigger, Studio Engi, Silver Fox. Make it what you will. Make it what you will. Kung may opinions naman kayo regarding those animation companies, makikita mo naman yung very distinct art style when you watch the whole movie. And maybe you might be asking, JC, kailangan ko ba panoorin yung TV series and the YouTube shorts just to understand the plot of this movie? My answer to that would be no. Kasi ang Uma Musume, hindi naman linear ang hindi naman linear ang storytelling niyan. So, it's more like a universe within itself, like Final Fantasy. I mean, the best that I can compare it to when it comes to how things connect, it's Final Fantasy. So, you can go ahead and watch this movie, then balik ka sa season nito kay Teo, then jump straight ahead to Cinderella Grey, and once you have tapos mo yun, you can go ahead and read Star Blossom or go back to season 1. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all on the watch order that kung anong watch order ang pipiliin mo for Uma Musume. If I'm going to go ahead and give this movie a rating, it would be an 8 out of 10. I would really recommend this to Uma Musume fans. And for those na nagbabalak pa lang to jump in on the Uma Musume fandom and you don't know where to start, you can either start with the game or you can go ahead and watch this movie. Ayun lang po. Thank you very much.